is a real boat.
Oh yeah.
Wow. I don't understand boats, but this is fun.
As long as it's on top of the water, you're doing all right.
Yeah, I got my sea legs.
That's about all you need to know. As long as the boat's on top of the water as opposed to underneath it, then we're good.
And therefore it's not, we're fish food, yeah?
Yeah, pretty much.
Cool.
Or at least very wet. The rule on any boat, 3 points of contact. So that's 2 feet, 1 hand. That's 3 points of contact. So if you have 3 points of contact, then you're all right.
Anyway, this is great. This is the real thing.
No problem.
So I'm loving it. Thanks, Captain, Skipper. I feel fairly safe. 3 points of contact.
Yeah.
Roger. Hey!
Going to gently swing the boat around now, just as we turn. If you look out of our right side, starboard side, way into the corner of the bay, got the little village of Sands End. Lovely little village, proper sun trap on the right day, and it's a nice walk from Whitby to Sands End, starting off on the west cliff or the west pier, heading right down the beach and the sea wall into the village itself. Takes about 45 minutes to an hour. You're rewarded with a couple nice little pubs and cafes to sit in when you get down there, and if you don't fancy the walk back, there's always a bus.
Every single one of them boxes is a shipwreck.
Wow.
There's 145 of them there, and they're just the ones that I know about.
Is there
No.
anything that you've got to watch out for?
The only thing I've got to watch out for is things that are floating at the surface. So,
Right.
like we've got these yellow markers that we're going past, the yacht markers.
Yeah.
Just inside of them, you see them. There's like a can with a float attached to it, just there.
Ah, it's good. Yeah, black thing.
Yeah, there's another one. There's a white one further out.
And what are they marking?
They're lobster pots.
Right. So how would you describe this sea as it is at the moment? I mean, what's the words you use to describe this kind of sea?
I would describe it as jowling.
Jowling.
Jowly, yeah. J-O-W-L, jowly. You've got different types of movement. You've got swell and you've got jowl, right? Swell is where it's in nice long bands and nice all
when
big
you're going
waves
up and down.
coming in. Whereas jowl, like that, is where it's confused. Where
Yeah,
it's
because
coming
it can
from
go in all
from
directions.
all directions.
So you can suddenly get whipped
That's it,
unexpectedly.
That's it. That's what you call jowl.
Right, so let's watch you manoeuvre us back into...
No pressure then, eh? apart from the wheel, apart from the wheel, the other main things are that and that.
Yeah.
That's your gearbox, that's your throttle.
Thank you very much. That's nearly 17 minutes 47 seconds so far.
A video?
Yeah.
Oh, that'll do.
Thank you. Hey old Baz.
Are you well?
Ah, we loved it. We loved it.
Was it good?
We loved it. We absolutely loved it.
Sorry guys. Nice to meet you. Next time. Hey, nice to meet you. Take your time, guys.
Any more sailors? 25-minute trip to the river today. It's far too rough to go to sea. So if you want to come with us, see a different side of Whitby, we'll go past where the big boats are put together, through all the boats in the harbour up to the viaduct, then we'll take you back down the harbour to the entrance to show you why you can't go out to sea today. So if you want to come with us, you can still put a pirate hat on, have a bit of fun. 25-minute trip, just £5 a head, and the rest of your body goes free. How's that? Bring your own rum, bring your own parrot, ice creams, etc.
Aye, skipper. Permission to film aboard?
Yes, no problem, yes.
What's your name, skipper?
Permission granted.
Roger. What's your name, Scar?
David,
David the skipper.
that's it.
Thank you. 3 points of contact. Okay. Okay, I'll be
Carry
moving around the boat.
Yep.
Yeah.
Carry on, sir.
Thank you very much.
Don't fall over. Big red building in front of the boat, straight below. That's called Whitehall Rapids. It's mostly holiday there. going to take you down to the harbour mouth now and show you why we're not going to sea today.
Hi, Captain.
Aye, aye.
Why are we not going to sea?
Because it's very, very rough.
And what's the consequence?
You'll get thrown all over the place.
Do we get wet?
You get black and blue and wet.
Don't like that. So we're not going. We're doing a river trip instead, yes?
Yeah, just river and harbour mouth. Just to rock it about a bit.
Okie dokie. Ahead. Hey, you're going to be on our YouTube channel if you'll agree.
Yeah, no problem.
Yeah, we like excitement,
No problem.
education, bit of controversy. You've got to pass the censor, so you're not allowed to swear. If you swear, we take the word out, reverse it, and put it in backwards.
Right.
I'm the editor, so
Sounds funny.
it is hilarious. So you mustn't swear.
All the room's gone, so don't do no swearing.
We have to get past the censor and the artificial intelligence. It's all good fun.
very lumpy out at sea. My claim to fame, I was on Heartbeat as a Russian sailor. Many years ago.
We're going back now.
Yes, we're going back to land where you'll be nice and safe and dry.
Terra firma.
And then you can get some nice fish and chips and ice cream.
Oh wow. Yes. So how long have you been sailing out of Whitby?
Round about 32 years.
Wow.
I only came for 2 weeks holiday. 33 years ago.
You fell in love with the sea.
Yeah. I did, yeah.
How long have you been skippering this boat?
On and off. 27 years. Not this single boat, but
Well, it said 20 minutes on the ticket, and that's near as damn it 20 minutes.
hopefully,
19 minutes and 26 seconds.
hopefully.
Hopefully. That's not a technical word, hopefully. And here we are under the swing bridge again. Brilliant. Thank you.
No problem. See you next year.
So the boat drifts and I fall over. Right, I'm going to take this off and let us